We all know that salad is great for diabetes control. I mean, it's full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. But then, what you add to it can suddenly turn that healthy meal into disaster. Yes, because many of the popular salad creams and mayonnaise that we can find in the supermarkets are actually packed with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. And all these can cause your blood sugar to spike. They can lead to weight gain and generally work against all your efforts to control your blood sugar. This video is going to be super helpful to you. So what you will do right now is to help me give it a huge thumbs up. Please like it right now as I am speaking so that the algorithm can push it to other Nigerians who will benefit from it. Please, talking about mayonnaise. Mayonnaise itself is very low in carbohydrates because 1 tablespoon of irregular mayonnaise has less than 1 gram of carbs, which means it won't cause your blood sugar to spike quickly. However, while mayonnaise won't spike your blood sugar immediately, it's still a food you have to be careful with due to these three reasons. Number one, it is high in calories and fats. 1 tablespoon can contain over 90 calories, and eating too much of it can lead to weight gain. And you should know that carrying extra weight can make it harder to manage your blood sugar and can even worsen your insulin resistance. Secondly, some types of mayonnaise, especially those made with highly processed oils, can be very high in unhealthy fats like saturated fats, and consuming too much of these fats is not good for your heart. And people with diabetes already have a higher risk of heart disease. Then, lastly, commercially made mayonnaise, especially the low fat ones, they can have added sugars and other additives that is used to make up for the taste that is lost from removing fat. That is why you must always read your nutrition label, because a light version or a low fat version of a product can sometimes be worse for your blood sugar than the regular version. So let's break it down simply. When you look at the back of commercial salad cream bottles, you often see ingredients like sugar or high fructose corn syrup. This will directly raise your blood sugar levels. A lot of manufacturers add it for taste because they want to enhance the taste of the salad cream, but it's actually not your friend if you are diabetic, pre-diabetic, or insulin resistant. They also use unhealthy oils. They use refined vegetable oils that are high in omega-6 fatty acid, which when you take excess of it will contribute to inflammation in your body, which is not good for you, especially as a diabetic. Then, all the thickeners and additives can also affect your digestion and just add unnecessary poison to the body. So, even a small serving of a sugary salad cream can add like an extra teaspoon or two of sugar to your meal, and over time, that adds up. So, honestly, to find a truly diabetes friendly commercial salad cream can be a challenge. Many of them, if not all of them, are just too sweet, and the best way to ensure your salad cream is healthy and blood sugar friendly is to make it yourself. So, this afternoon, I want to have salad, and I thought within myself, oh, why not just film this? How I make my salad cream in the comfort of my kitchen. So that is what this video is all about. Now I'm going to show you, and don't worry, it's super easy to make, and it even uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen right now. A mixing bowl that we use to mix it. Then we have our unsweetened yogurt. I would normally advise you, if you want to make it, make use of Greek yogurt because it has a thicker consistency, and when you finish mixing it, it actually looks like the real mayonnaise or salad cream. But if you don't have access to Greek yogurt, or you can't afford Greek yogurt, or you don't have it around you, if you can get plain unsweetened yogurt, you can make use of it, and that is what I will be using for this tutorial this afternoon. This is a plain unsweetened yogurt. Then we have our black pepper, we have our lime. If you don't have lime and you have lemon, make use of that. Then I'm going to be using coconut oil. If you have original olive oil at home, you can use it in place of coconut oil also. Then this is our measuring cup. This is half cup measurement. So it's pretty easy. All you first do is to add your yogurt to the bowl, add your yogurt. Then I'm going to go in with the coconut oil right now. I'm using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I will be adding a squeeze of lime and a little bit of black pepper. Then I also changed my mind. I decided to add another spice, which is cinnamon. So I will be, this is optional. It's not compulsory for you to use it. I just want to use it to enhance the taste. So I'll also be adding a little bit of cinnamon powder. And you just go ahead and mix everything together. And then you pour it inside your salad. This is a basic salad. Also, I use just cucumber, cabbage, and carrots. Is the basic salad. So this is to tell you that you don't have to spend too much to eat healthy if you are diabetic and you want to control your blood sugar level. You should learn how to improvise, learn how to turn basic things into things that will work for your health. So this homemade salad cream can be stored in an airtight container in your fridge for about 3 to 5 days. Yes, it can last up to that. And the benefits of making your own salad cream is number one, you control what goes in. There's no hidden sugar. You use good quality oil, which means that you are getting healthy fats, then fresh ingredients that taste so much better. Then it is also budget friendly. It is cheaper than buying all these fancy options in the supermarkets. Then lastly, my people, peace of mind. You know you're making a blood sugar friendly choice. So what are you waiting for? Why haven't you started making yours? Why are you still using your money to buy something that will impact your health negatively? Repent today. Start making your salad cream right from the comfort of your home so that you can eat more of salads that will benefit your body and your blood sugar. I know this video has been helpful to you. Kindly give it a huge thumbs up right now. Share it within your circle. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't so you don't miss out impactful videos like this next time. And if you haven't, turn on your post notification so that you get notified when I upload my next video.